Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean, Sauerkraut, Part 2, The Stinkening. If you missed Part 1, I'll fill you in. I made fucking sauerkraut. There, you're all caught up. You know your sauerkraut is properly fermenting if your kitchen smells like farts, but it's kind of like smelling your own fart. Alright, well, it's time. I missed you, crock of farting cabbage. Oh, I missed you too. Anyway, this crock of shit contains cabbage, fresh dill, garlic, and Celtic sea salt that's been fermenting for 9 fucking weeks. Alright, I literally have not lifted this lid in 9 weeks. This motherfucker's gonna be like opening the Temple of Doom, Temple of Farts in this case. And, farts! Farts. Give me them farts! Yeah, I know. Anyway, there it is, and for real, it is quite odoriferous. Okay, these are the weight stones and the whole sacrificial cabbage leaves that keep the cut cabbage in the brine. Have you ever heard of cup of fart? You know, you fart in your hand and release it under someone's nose. This is basically a fucking 9-week crock of fart. Yeah, but whatever, you get used to it and it's like smelling your own fart. It's fine. And it's food, so, you know, you start to like it. Alright, well, these sacrificial cabbage leaves are fine, but I'm not fucking eating them. I do have something in store for them at the end of this, though. Look at that shit. It's fucking perfect. I did 9 weeks because I don't really like shit that squeaks on my teeth, so it's just soft enough, but still has some crunch, but not as much fucking squeak. Damn, that shit's good. Now, the reason I'm making this shit is because sauerkraut is absolutely healthy as fuck when it's fermented because it's loaded with probiotics. Just 2 tablespoons contain millions of colony-forming units. Vegetables in a salty brine with no oxygen present allow lactobacillus to eat the sugars and fart carbon dioxide and piss lactic acid, which puts the sour in sauerkraut. It's a full-on bacterial orgy in this motherfucker, all getting down in a sea of their own piss. Anyway, if you buy this shit at the store on a shelf, it's been pasteurized, and all those healthy gut bugs are dead. Why would you want to eat a piss orgy genocide? But anyway, if you want to buy homemade fermented sauerkraut from me, too bad, I don't sell shit. But you can watch episode 1 and make it your own damn self. And you know, this shit doesn't just help digestion. There are studies that show your gut bacteria are directly related to mood and mental health and shit. Did you know that the human body has 30 trillion human cells, but these human cells are only 1% of what we are? Our meat tractors that we drive around in are 99% microorganisms, bacteria and fungi and viruses and shit. Let me say that another way. Your body is 99% little fucking bugs squirming around together in the shape of a human. You are a universe made of meat hosting galaxies of bacteria and shit. And if you don't decide what bacteria live in your gut and you eat shit that's dumb to eat, then the nasty bugs who like eating that dumb shit take over. Guess what? You feel like shit physically and mentally. So don't be a dumbass. Load your ass up with the good bugs and eat healthy shit so they can have a little war with the asshole bugs and win. And if they win, you win because you feel better. But I'm not the fucking boss of you, so eat however you want and feel like shit if you want. But seriously, 99% of us is bugs. Sorry, germaphobes. Not sorry. And you'll want to be careful because, whoa, I fucking closed this jar for just a bit. And the fart orgy is still ongoing, so until we get it cold in the fridge, we'll leave these cracked. And you'll want to clean the edges. Give it a good rim job. Alright, let's put this shit in the fridge. Holy shit. Let's try that again. What? I've got teenagers. So anyway, with the lids cracked, like I said, until they get cold, then you can seal them up. Unless you want an explosion of farts. Alright, this is already getting too long. So let me do some fucking kung fu. More like dumb fu. Anyway. So salt is bad for chickens, but probiotics are good. So you can feed a little to your tiny feathered dinosaurs if you have some. Alright, let's go mix this shit up. Chicken food and fucking worms. Oyster shells. Breakfast of dumbasses. Watch, I bet they heard me in here and are waiting out there to fucking pound. Yep, there they are. They're pretty smart for a bunch of dummies. If chickens were the size of a horse, they'd literally snatch your head right off your body. There you go, dummies. Anyway, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, head. I mean, sauerkraut. Anyway, if you want to be healthy and shit, eat a little bit of this every day. Or, you know, put it on whatever you want. Ribbon sandwiches, smother your sausage. I'm putting it on these breakfast egg taco things I made. Thank you, tiny dinosaurs that shit out breakfast. Alright, well, if you're trying to unfuck yourself, maybe start with the billions of bugs that are actually you. Toodaloo.